Burgos Circle is an area here in BGC na kung saan maraming mga bars and restaurants. Sometimes I just go here, lalakad lang ako para lang magtanggal ng buwisit sa buhay. Walking aimlessly around BGC. And kapag ginagawa ko yon, nakakahanap ako ng mga bagong bars and restaurants. Tulad nito, this is the Purple Rice Thai Restaurant here in Burgos Circle. Let's go. Tignan natin kung ano meron dito. Yung specialty beer nila dito is something called Purple Beer. This is, sabi niya, nung waiter, it's San Miguel Pale Pilsen, ang gamit na beer. But hinaluan nila ng special concoction na ube or taro syrup. Kaya siya naging purple. It's very sweet. Naging matamis talaga siya. Feels like you're drinking ube ice cream na may halong beer. This restaurant is a Thai-inspired restaurant. And you can see in the interior design nung area na it's very Thai ang aesthetic, Thailand. And of course, syempre yung menu nila is also Thai food, obviously. Medyo pricey nga lang yung mga prices dito sa area na to. Especially here kasi this is a popular gimmickan place ng mga mayayaman dito sa BGC. And this glass of purple beer is 220 pesos. Okay, so dumating na yung in-order kong food. This is crispy pork belly. So, may kasama siyang sauce, Thai sauce at saka some sort of coleslaw. So wala siyang kasamang rice, no? Ang pulutan lang siya. The skin is very crispy. Pero hindi sunog. Look at that. And perfect yung combination niya with this ube flavored beer. Masarap siya. Actually, para siyang lechong kawali. Pero yung sauce kasi yung nagdadala. Yung sauce yung nagsasabi sa'yo na this is a different kind of pork dish. Kung yung meat lang, yung pork lang, yeah, lechong kawali lang siya. The sauce is very complicated. Para siyang mix of Thai sauce, Thai patis, tapos may vinegar, tapos may mga spices na hindi ko ma-identify. It's good. So anyway, that's it. That was a good lunch and a good glass of unusually sweet beer. So kayo, what's your favorite restaurants or bars dito sa Burgos Circle? Let me know down in the comments. Thank you for liking and subscribing. See you in the next episode. Bye!